Hey guys, what's going on? This is MTTPRVST13 here with another video, and today we are going to program a Bukkit plugin. Now, I'm going to guess that you have Minecraft server set up, like a local test one, and Eclipse set up and Jerry and so on and so forth. But if you don't, I will have a link in the description saying where all that stuff is. So, in Java or Eclipse, what we first want to do is create a new project, Java project, and then I would name it whatever your plugin is going to call. So I'm just going to call it tag, because that's what I'm going to be making in this series. So let it finish up. And now we look in the package explorer, and as you can see, I have a lot of stuff, and I already tried to make tag before, but it didn't really work. So in here, right click and choose properties, then go to Java build path, and under libraries choose add external jars, and then find your test server and choose the version of Craft Bukkit you're using. So I have 1.8.6 and press OK. Now you just want to create a package, so you can just press this. And I'm just going to call it me.mttprvst13 because that's my name, dot tag, except it's going to be lowercase. Now that's how if other things are going to be reaching you, they're going to use that specific path. So now we want to create a class, and in it I'm going to call it tag, but uppercase, and just press finish. So now we can do anything in the plugin in this file, but before we start doing a whole bunch of random stuff, let's just delete this and make this extends Java plugin. Now import that. Now we want to start out with two methods. Both are public void on enable and public void on disable, just like that. On all of my plugins, I usually do log and import logger, do Java util logging, and then in here I set log equal to get logger. And what's the matter with this? Oh, that's an error. Yeah. Okay, now I'm just going to do log.info and log.info. Now you can do log.warning, log.error, so on and so forth. So in here, I'm just going to successfully enabled. And then here, successfully disabled. Okay, so now this plugin, whenever you do /reload or start up the server, it's going to say tag successfully enabled, and then when you stop it or reload, it's going to say successfully disabled. So now in your package explorer, select tag and not your package, and then do new file, not class, not package, file, and do plugin.yaml. Now don't call this anything else. Make sure it's in the root directory, which just close this file. When something pops up, just close it, right click this, and do open with text editor, and that'll open it in here. Now this has to be this specific name because you tell it the name, where this file is, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Now I will give a link to a page in the description showing a lot of options you can have in here. But first, I'm just going to start out with the name. Just tag main. This is where your main file is. So it's in me, mtt prvst13, tag. Now make sure you have this tag at the end, otherwise it won't work. Version, and just do 1.0. That's what I'm doing at least. And these three are the only three that are completely required in every single plugin. Now we can do description, which comes up in the help menu. Play a friendly game of tag with your friend. Okay, so we have a working plugin. I'm going to go, so to export, you just right click, do export, and now you have this little menu. Under Java, do jar file, next. You don't need these, so you can uncross them. And then in here, type in its name, and I usually do -1.0. Make sure it's in the plugins folder of your server folder. Now, I'm going to not do this because I'm going to get an entire server just for YouTube. So, I'll be back when that's ready. Alright guys, well I have the new server running, and I just put in the jar file for the very first time, and let's see if it goes alright. It's loading, there it goes. Yep, see, loading tag. And then once it's done with this stuff, it's going to say enabling tag successfully enabled. So if I do reload, successfully disabled, successfully enabled. So these lines are from the plugin that we just created. It's super simple. Just bare bones. Oh yes, one more thing. If I do question mark, tag should pop up. I guess it's because it doesn't have any commands. So, but once we get some commands in there, it will be tag : play a friendly game of tag with your friends. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Please like, comment, and subscribe.